Hi guys, let me guide you through simple steps to log into Telegram on your iPhone. I suppose you already have the Telegram application installed, so just open up the application and hit Start Messaging. Now you need to enter your country code and your phone number. Once done, hit Continue, check your number, once again Continue, or edit if something was wrong. On this page, you need to enter the confirmation code. You will receive it by SMS to your phone number or to another Instagram application instance if it's installed on your device. So I have this chat with Telegram, and I have no SIM installed to my iPhone. If you have a SIM card installed to your phone, there will be automatic confirmation. You just have nothing to do this here. But I have this code in my another Telegram, linked to the same number. So I just need to manually enter this code. And my account is protected by cloud password to avoid hackers. So you need to enter the cloud password, tap Continue. Allow to access contacts if you need. Allow to send notifications, and here it is, your Telegram in your iPhone. That's pretty it, guys. I hope this was helpful. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and be awesome. Bye.